After the insane run for the CS2 market over the last weeks, right now it's down by 10% from its peak at over $5 billion at the beginning of May again. In today's video I'll take a look at what's going on here, but first up I gotta say that a downtrend like this is nothing I wouldn't have expected. After such a spike, a downfall is completely normal. But what's going on here? This deep fall in market cap especially comes due to the decline of the high tier item sector. The individual items are now down by 10 to 30% from the peak again just over the last 1 to 2 weeks. At this point I would confidently say that there was market manipulation happening. In addition, I would assume that there is a connection with the rising crypto market again, because in the past it often happened that manipulators in particular jump from one wave to another. Nevertheless, even if these are harsh numbers, no matter if you're looking at the past 1, 7, 30 or 60 days, they are still just green numbers all across the board. This not only counts for the high tier items, but for the whole market in general. In the long run I expect further uptrends anyway, since the market is currently backed by really strong numbers which show the still further rising interest in the game. CS2's player count remains at over 1 million average players for the 4th month in a row now, even though we see red numbers for the first time since November here. Viewer numbers for the majors are at all-time highs, and the case unboxing numbers are also sitting strongly at over 35 million, which is an insane increase to the 15 million we had at the end of last year. Speaking of cases, they fell alongside the skins inside, but are still broadly in the greens over the last month. Before we take a closer look here, let's take a quick look at today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by SkinsMonkey, a very easy to use automated CS2 trading site. Just pick the skin you want to get rid of and choose a new one to your desire. Click trade items and your brand new skin should be there in minutes. By using my code Lucas you can even get up to $5 cashback on your first trade and a 5% deposit bonus on top of the 30% SkinsMonkey offers you for all deposits anyways. Even if you are not looking to trade right now, it's worth it to check out the freebies section where you have a daily, weekly and monthly try to get some cool new skins for your inventory. Link down below in the description. The rare cases are up by 10 to 20% all across the board over the last 30 days, while there remain even some cases with bigger gains. Mentionable here are the Chroma 3, Spectrum 2 and Glove case with 30% and the CS20 case with even 40%. The CS20 case is even more special since it hasn't dropped at all. As for the active duty cases, they are also up by 10 to 20%, while the recall case going from 20 to 30 cents is even on the same level as the CS20 case with 40% gains. The currently biggest winners are the 3 discontinued operation cases, since while the Broken Fang case is sitting at a plus 40%, the Shattered Weapon Riptide case are up by 50 and 55%. In general, it should be clear that even though the market is down, it still benefited greatly from the spike, even if some items got manipulated on purpose. With this being said, let's take a look at what's ahead for CS2. The Austin Major is already kicking off in about 2 weeks, with its start on the 3rd of June. Since we already know all the participating teams, you could potentially get into some team stickers that didn't make it, but I'll personally stay away from that. Even though I still hope for new sticker designs, I'm no longer relying on it in any circumstances. Next up we got some hints for a potentially upcoming operation with the latest Spring Forward update. Data miners found, in addition to the new weekly missions, another type of missions labeled Operation in the data files. While I wouldn't expect something like that soon, there are new chances here. Maybe we'll get an operation-like update the month before the winter major. And lastly, here's what I'm doing right now. At the start of May I sold off some more of my higher tier play skins, on which I had really good returns at that point since I nearly nailed the timing. Additionally, I got rid of a Cat of 15 Challengers capsule which I had laying around for years. Sadly I wasn't able to get good returns on it, but I think I can use the funds better somewhere else. As for the future, I'll keep on buying monthly as part of my 50 euro series and make some bigger trades here and there. With the state of the game right now, I still see the market rising even higher in the upcoming years. And that's all the information I got for you today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.